Tinakot po ba kayo? Kaya nyo inoff ang inyong BWC?
Inutusan po, Your Honor.
Tinakot kayo? Ang sinabi.
Sinabihan po kami, Your Honor, na kung makakaligtas man po kami sa kaso, sa kanya daw po, Your Honor, hindi daw po.
Ay sa mayor, saka vice mayor at kapitan.
Doon po sa meeting na yun, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor. At
Sino yung nag-umaayon sa sinasabi ni Major Kiana?
yung dalawa niyang bata, Your Honor, si PSSU Desder at Demokrito. Nandun naman po lahat ng
Hindi,
personnel ng
nasa
Senator,
report
Your Honor.
ninyo. Tumaas ang kamay ng mga nandun sa conference. Tayo kayo lahat. Would you confirm that Major Quijana said those statements? Lahat? Walang kumukontra? Taas ang kamay ng umaayon. Under oath kayo lahat, ha?
Kasi under pressure na po kami, Your Honor.
Okay, so, pati yung pagpatay sa mga mayor.
Wala po ako sinasabi na gano'n, Your Honor.
It's correct that I am the chief of the controllership division of the Southern Police District during that time, but the report on which I was included in this inquiry was the making of I helped the investigator in making the second progress report, Mr. Chair, and not the first progress.
Okay, in that case, Congressman Paduano, we will be discussing the issue of Colonel Cabradilla in a while. So before we discuss that, the chair would like to proceed with the motion of Congressman Tulfo with some amendment by Congressman Rosita. But in relation to the penalty that we will be subscribing to this violation, we need also a motion on this. Siguro ano na lang, ipag-isa na lang po natin yung motion, no? So what will be the penalty for this violation? So under section C, 30 days detention on this premises.
It's up to the chairman of the committee kung ilang days. Walang ano yun, pwede ngang until, but dapat definite yung period until the committee report will be approved in the plenary. Pwede rin yan, pwede rin 30 days, pwede 15 days. It depends on the decision of this committee. Kasi hindi siya na-fall sa ENFA which is only 10 days. Maximum 10 days. So it's up to the committee if 1 month ba, 2 months ba.
Yes, and I believe that this is a collective body that we have to discuss. So it will not be just the chairman who will decide on the length of the period of the penalty, but rather on the wise motion of each and every member of this committee. So any suggestion, Congressman Flores?
Mr. Chair, other than the period of detention, Mr. Chair, it is also up to the committee as the place of detention, Mr. Chair. And for me, I recommend that we place them in the Quezon City Jail, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
So there is a supplemental motion, but is it a motion or a recommendation?
It's a recommendation,
So-
Mr. Chair, because this motion has already been approved to cite them in contempt.
No, not yet.
And,
Not yet.
oh,
So,
not yet?
there is a motion by Congressman Tulfo, and we haven't acted on the motion
Oh,
yet,
okay.
considering that there was a amendment to the motion that was done by Congressman Bosita, and considering also that we have not tackled yet the penalty, so we will be asking the members to
Yes, sir.
to have the final penalty that will be meted out for these PNP personnel.
Very well, Mr. Chair.
So there is a recommendation of those who have been who will be cited in contempt by this hearing will be brought into Quezon City Jail. But with that, I would like to have a
Mr. Chair,
yeah, Congressman
If I
Busita,
may.
and then afterwards a 1-minute suspension. Go ahead, Congressman Busita.
Mr. Chair, considering na sila po ay police personnel, if I may, kung pwede po ay wag na lamang sa City Jail at dito na lamang po sa Kongreso.
Siguro ang gawin natin muna, since the recommendation of Congressman Gonzales have not been acted yet, since it is just a recommendation, we will be having a penalty of 10 to 15 days, and then subject to what action that will be taken by this body in the next hearing. So,
Anyway, Mr. Chairman.
sige, go ahead.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, this is an ongoing, no? Siguro marathon. Depende sa chairman yan, marathon ba to? Basta this is not the first, second, and the last hearing. Now, ako, I talked to the moment kay Congressman Tulfo. Ako okay din ako na 15 days. But of course, every hearing, within that 15 days, papatawag kayo. Pag ayaw nyo pa rin mag-cooperate, ayaw sumagot, it all depends on the members of this committee and the chair. Kung i-extend yung contempt order sa inyo, detention order nyo. So, ako, Mr. Chairman, I have consulted with Congressman Tulfo. I moved to detain them for 15 days in the premises of the House.
Okay.
Oh.
So, all right.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
So, there is a motion by this is the parliamentary status of the motion of Congressman Tulfo with regards to the violation that was committed by the PNP personnel to cite them in contempt. And there was a previous amendment by Congressman Bosita enumerating the following PNP personnel. And then there is another amendments on the motion that will be the penalty that will be meted out for these PNP personnel will be a period of 15 days and in the premises of this House of Representatives, considering the recommendation of
I will
Congressman
withdraw.
Flores that they be committed on the Quezon City Jail until such time that they have meted out the truthfulness of what transpired based on the CCTV and the BWC.
With the pronouncements of the chair, I will withdraw my recommendations, Mr. Chair, and based with the consultations with the members. But just as a reminder also to
Yeah.
those who have been cited in contempt, that it is at the option of the committee where they can be detained. And maybe there
Correct.
may be security concerns for them to be detained in Quezon City Jail. But for me, the least comfort, maybe it will jog their memory, Mr. Chair, and be more truthful in the next hearings, Mr. Chair.
And I really agree with that. And with that, with sadness in our hearts, alam naman natin hindi natin gusto to. But lying in front of all of us is something that parang you hit us right in front of our face. Na alam naman natin na nangyari. That you have done something on the 27-minute period that was lacking. Masakit, but we will do our job. This is our work and we will do the best out of it. So with the motion of Congressman Erwin Tulfo, any second the motion on the said motion? There's a second motion.
Second the
Any
motion.
objection? Hearing none, the motion is now approved. So the Sergeant of Arms is being directed to bring all these personnel after the hearing. Okay. So we'll be continuing with our hearing. Congressman Akop, sino ba nakalagay sa listahan? No, not yet. We will not be allowing them to leave yet or bring in the detention center of this house. We will be discussing first yung involvement pa ng iba. Okay? So the chair would like to recognize the Congresswoman Gardema. Gardema. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome po. So andito po si Congressman Flores. You have something to ask?
Yes, sir. Nagpalista
Congressman
po ako.
Flores.
If with the
Are you
permission of
done?
the.
Wait. Are you done, Congressman Tulfo? Sige, Congressman Flores, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just a few questions, Mr. Chair. Major Kiana, in the earlier questions of the other members of the committee, you were asked, and you answered that you did not see the money. Now, the video was presented by the chair, and it obviously showed that you were aware that money was inside. And in fact, you covered it. Now, my question is, what prompted you to make untruthful answers to this committee?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sinabi ko po kanina na nakita ko po yung pera. Wala po akong sinabi na hindi ko po nakita yung pera.
All right. So my mistake. Now, when you entered the room, and I understand securing the people inside for also the security of the members of the searching team. But why did it take 27 minutes as pointed out by the chairman before you were able to satisfactorily settle down and read them their rights?
Your Honor, pakiulit po yung tanong.
Kasi ang pinakita sa video na naputol niya for 27 minutes. Sabi ko, naintindihan ko yung pagpasok nyo, securing everyone else maybe before you read them their rights, etc., etc. That can take some time. But not 27 minutes. My question is, bakit 27 minutes before binasa yung rights at before pinakita yung search warrant to the people who were searched in the area?
Your Honor, ang makakasagot po niyan yung pong may hawak ng body worn camera. Kasi wala naman po akong instruction na i-off yung body worn camera.
Who gave the instruction then?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, wala po akong instruction na ganun.
Okay, but then my question is, anong nangyari in that 27 minutes? You were there.
Yes, Your Honor. Sinecure po namin yung area, Your Honor, kasi tapos yung mga Chinese, Your Honor, hindi namin maintindihan kung ano po yung mga sinasabi nila. Nag-provide po kami, nagtanong po kami doon kung sino pong pwedeng makapag-translate. Doon po sa mga sinasabi ng mga Chinese, lumabas po doon yung babae, si Arlene, at nagkaroon po ng mga pag-uusap at para po maintindihan yung mga sinasabi ng mga Chinese kasi hindi po sila marunong mag-English.
Okay. Now, Colonel Guevara. Nandun ka rin, di ba? 27 minutes, Colonel Guevara.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What did you do for 27 minutes inside that very small unit?
Just to give you a background, Mr. Chair. Before the operation that took place, I divided the team, the whole team into four teams, Mr. Chair. Then my participation during that operation, Mr. Chair, is that after I read the search warrant, I instructed to go with
My question, you read them the warrant after 27 minutes.
No, Mr. Chair. If you can see with the CCTV, Mr. Chair, I initially read that search warrant when we settled down when you see the CCTV, Mr. Chair. The moment we settled down, I already read the search warrant. I read it again with Arlene, Miss Arlene, Mr. Chair, for them to understand.
To translate.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, now, Sergeant Dessler. This is not the first time that you were involved in the enforcement of a search warrant, correct?
Hindi po.
Same with what's the family? Sergeant Democ Crito, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
usually the service of search warrant just takes 1 day, correct? Or hours nga lang minsan, di ba? Tama ba?
Pardon po, Your Honor.
Ang pag-enforce ng search warrant or pag-enforce ng search warrant, does it take days or usually just hours lang? Ilang oras lang?
Depende po sa klase ng operation, Your Honor.
So what was the longest time na you enforce a search warrant? Umabot ba ng 3 araw ang pag-search ng premises?
No, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, my question is, usually, in your experience, ilang oras or ilang araw ang pag-ano ng search warrant?
So far po, ito pa lang po yung pinakamatagal ko po na experience.
Pinakamatagal na to. Ilang oras to?
More or less mga 5 hours.
5 hours.
5 hours.
Yet, 5 hours lang ang pag-execute ng warrant na to, yet you brought 2 bags, bringing with you all of your belongings almost, di ba? Tama ba? Tama ba?
Pardon po, Your Honor.
Dala mo yung mga bags mo, di ba? Kasya halos lahat ng gamit mo doon. Isang backpack at saka isang maleta.
Apo, Your Honor.
So normal ba yan na ma-execute ka ng search warrant, dala-dala mo lahat ng gamit mo?
No, Your Honor, hindi ko po dala yan during nung implementation of search warrant, Your Honor.
So saan yan?
After na po ng operation, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, but you were outside of your house and you were doing the operations. Are you telling us, this committee, that dala-dala mo yung lahat ng mga gamit mo? Kasi when you checked in, you said gamit mo yung mga dala mo eh.
Nung nag-check-in na po, Your Honor.
Yeah.
But hindi na po covered yun na operation po namin.
Hindi na. So you were able to go
After.
home and get your things pa? You were able to go home and get your things? Go back to your office and get your things?
After po ng operation, Your Honor, dumiretso na po kami sa DSOU office. And then, since crowded na po kami doon at hindi po maano yung tulugan namin, nag-decide po kami na magpahinga naman po kami.
Magpahinga, mag-check-in.
Apo.
Okay, sorry. Colonel, who conducted the investigation? Colonel Fermin. Sir, you testified earlier that from the interview with the other officers, you found out that there was money that was not yet reported, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, I'm not gonna ask you who these officers are, no, but can you tell me why these officers preferred to tell you after the fact and not prevent the officers conducting the search from keeping the money from your investigation?
So during the conduct of our investigation, aside from the first progress report wherein it was stated there that there was this presence of the 27 million, some of the members of the operating team also stated in their statements that they saw the money and they personally saw the money. That's why during the conduct of our investigation, we focused on the existence of that particular amount of money.
Kaya my question kasi Colonel Delfin is focused on why would the other officers allow this thing to happen when they knew for a fact that it should have been reported and surrendered maybe to the office where it is supposed to be brought?
Well, sir, that would have been the biggest, the $1 million question, sir. Why they opted to hide that amount of money? That's why, sir, we are investigating as to the part of that. But as to why they opted to keep the money, sir, I think the best person to answer that would be the gentleman in front of me, sir.
Thank you, Colonel. Chairman, thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Congressman, before, are you going to ask na your turn? So, pasok natin si, si Congressman Arrogancia, then Congressman Gonzaga. Then after you. Okay. Sige.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Arrogancia.
saglit lang naman po ito for the pending question that I should have asked last week. Narito po ba si Patrolman Acosta? Pwede po bang sa kanya ko itanong yung mga gusto kong malamang tanong? Acosta. Okay po. Good afternoon, Patrolman Acosta. I would like to remind you that you're under oath. At nakita mo rin ang ibang mga kasamahan natin dito ay na-cite in contempt. So, ang tatanungin ko sa iyo ay relevant question doon sa missing na video because you were the one who's handling the BWC. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tatanungin ko po kayo. Sinabi niyo po dati nung last hearing natin na inutusan po kayo na i-off ang inyong BWC. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ito po ay final na tanong ko sa inyo dahil unang-una po, yan po yung missing link natin, yung video na dapat tuloy-tuloy po na naka-on. May nanakot po ba sa inyo? Kaya nyo po in-off ang inyong BWC?
Your Honor, nung time kasi, Your Honor, na pinatay po yung
Question lang po ito, simple lang po. Hindi naman po dahil sa ayaw kayo pagpaliwanagin, pero kaharap nyo po ang inyong mga officers at alam po nila ang totoo. Sagutin niyo po ako ng totoo. Tinakot po ba kayo? Kaya nyo in-off ang inyong BWC?
Inutusan po, Your Honor.
Tinakot kayo?
Inutusan po, Your Honor, at sumunod lang po ako sa superior ko.
Tinakot kayo o hindi? I would like to remind you that you're under oath. Ayaw kong matulad ka doon sa kapalaran ng ibang mga kasamahan natin dito. So bilang isang batang pulis at bilang isang pulis na naniniwala ako na magsasabi ka ng totoo, tinakot ka ba para i-off mo ang body-worn camera?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Inutusan po.
Nung inutusan ka, alam mo ang tama at mali. Bakit mo sinunod na mag-off ng BWC?
Under juris po, Your Honor.
Bakit?
Siya po kasi yung officer namin, Your Honor.
Bakit mo sinunod kung alam mo dapat sumusunod ka doon sa tamang policy at protocol ng isang operation? Ba't mo kailangan sundin ang isang maling utos sa isang officer?
Natakot po ako, Your Honor, na hindi po sundin.
Ibig sabihin, tinakot ka kaya mo pinatay ang iyong BWC. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sinong tumakot sa'yo kaya mo in-off ang iyong BWC? Pwede mo bang pangalanan sa harap ng nakararaming mga opisyal na narito sa atin ngayon?
Police Major Quijana, Your Honor.
Anong sinabi sa'yo ni Police Major Jason Quijana nung time na in-off mo ang iyong camera?
Ang sabi lang po, Your Honor, patayin yung BWC at alam ko na daw po ang gagawin, Your Honor.
Nasaan doon yung pananakot?
Bilang isang officer, Your Honor, at ako po ay isang PNCO lamang po. Doon lang po ako natakot, Your Honor.
Wala bang threat na nangyari na pag hindi mo sinunod, ay meron kang problemang kakaharapin?
None, Your Honor. Yung threat po, Your Honor, after na po ng operation.
Anong threat ang sinabi?
Sinabihan po kami, Your Honor, na kung makakaligtas man po kami sa kaso, sa kanya daw po, Your Honor, hindi daw po.
Sinabi yan ni Police Major Quijana.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano yung ibig sabihin niya kaya na kung makakaligtas kayo sa kaso sa kanya ay hindi kayo makakaligtas? Anong ibig sabihin niya nun?
Nung nag-investigate na po kasi yung D7, Your Honor, sa SPD po, sinabihan po kami na mag-stick po kami sa affidavit namin, which is yung unang affidavit po na ginawa namin, Your Honor.
Tatanungin kita sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Maraming salamat sa iyong pag-amin sa pananakot sa iyo. Pangalawa, naka-off man ang camera mo, pero yung mata mo naman ay bukas ng oras ng operasyon. Nakita mo ba ang dami ng halagang pera nung time na iniikot ninyo ang isang lugar dun sa Unit 1811?
Your Honor, dun sa 27 million, hindi ko po nakita yun, Your Honor. Kasi po, pinagbawalan po kaming pumasok dun sa room, Your Honor. Ang nandun dun lang po sa room, Your Honor, si Sir Quijana po at si Sir Democrito. Hindi ko na po alam kung sino pa po yung nasa loob, Your Honor.
Noon bang ikaw ay tinakot ni Major Quijana, nakaramdam ka ba ng pag-iisip na baka kung ano mangyari sa buhay mo?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, tapos na po ako na pagtatanong kay Patrolman Quijana. Pupunta po ako kay Patrolman Acosta. Pupunta po ako kay Major Quijana.
Go ahead, sige, go ahead.
Major Quijana, ulit-ulit mo po sinasabi na hindi mo inutusan si Patrolman Acosta na mag-off siya ng BWC. Yun po ay ilang tanong na po namin sa inyo. Ako po ay nakikinig tuwing kayo po ay tinatanong. Ngayon po, bubulaanan niyo po ba ang sinabi niya na tinakot mo siya?
Your Honor, unang-una po, nabanggit ko po, sinabi niya po kanina na hindi ko po siya tinakot, Your Honor. Pangalawa po, wala po akong inuutos, Your Honor, na i-off po yung body worn camera kasi yun po yung panglaban namin during the conduct of search warrant.
Major Quijana,
Lapses niya po yun, Your Honor, yung pong ang sabi niya po sa akin, natatandaan ko, hindi niya po na-open yung body worn camera.
Major Quijana, malinaw po ang sinabi niya na during the operation, sinabi niyo na i-off ang camera. Then after that, after the operation, sinabi niya na nagbanta kayo na kung makakaligtas man sa kaso, sa kanya ay sa iyo ay hindi siya makakaligtas.
Your Honor, yung pong sa pag-off po ng body worn camera, uulitin ko po, Your Honor. Under oath po ako, wala po akong binabanggit na mag-close ng body worn camera. Yung pong pangalawa na nung natapos na po yung operation at nag-iimbestiga na po sila sa amin, nabanggit ko po yon na yung sinasabi niya. Kasi po, may naguhudas po sa amin sa operation. Kaya sabi ko po, mag-stick tayo doon sa operation na ginawa natin. Kasi search warrant naman yung ginawa namin. Mga Chinese yung hinuli namin. Wala naman silang illegal na documents dito na maipakita. Wala lahat sila, Your Honor. Pati po yung pera, hindi nila maipaliwanag kung saan galing, Your Honor. Kaya po gumawa po kami ng mga request. Kinumpleto po namin lahat. Proper po yung pagkakagawa ng trabaho namin, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman,
Okay,
I would like to yield to Congressman Ako.
okay,
for,
yield your
for
time.
the
No?
question.
Sige,
Very
before
much,
we
Mr. Chairman.
go back sa iyo, no? Ay, okay ka na?
Okay na po.
Okay ka na? Oh, sige, go ahead. Congressman Ako, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Major Quijana, sinasabi mo lang na legal yung trabaho ninyo, pero lahat ng ebidensya ngayon, hindi. Kung alam ko na legal yun, I wouldn't have filed that resolution. Pero matanong kita, meron bang dahilan si Madam Acosta na isara yung body worn camera? Anong dahilan niya kaya?
Your Honor, wala nga po akong inuutos na i-off yung body worn
Hindi
camera.
na, sinasagot yung tanong ko eh. Ano kaya ang dahilan bakit si Madam Acosta papatayin niya yung body worn camera?
Bakit po, Your Honor? Siya po ang tanungin natin. Hindi ko naman po
Eh,
masasagot.
sinasagot niya na ikaw ang nag-utos.
Wala nga po akong
Kaya
inuutos,
nga
Your Honor.
ka na dahil sa pagsisinungaling mo eh. Oh, mamaya ako ang magtatanong din sa iyo.
Your Honor,
Kay Colonel Guevara. Hindi pa ako kuwan eh. Kaya lang, kasi doon sa pagtatanong ni Honorable Arrogancia, gusto kong malaman, ano kaya ang nagbunsod kay Madam Acosta na patayin niya yung body worn camera?
Your Honor, wala po akong...
Kaya sa akin, na isang investigador, meron dahilan yun na pagpatay niya. At ang dahilan doon, nagsasabi siya ng totoo eh.
Your Honor, naalala ko po, nabanggit niya kasi noon na hindi niya na i-open yung body worn camera.
Question kay Major Quijana. Major Quijana, is it true that 4 days after the operation, you bought a Ford Territory? Bumili ka ba ng sasakyan na Ford Territory?
Opo, Your Honor.
Bumili ka ng Ford Territory?
Yes, Your Honor. Binigay po ng business partner ko. May business partner po.
Sino yung business partner mo? Ano pangalan? Full name?
Hindi ko po pwedeng sabihin, Your Honor.
Tumanggap ka ng Fort Territory, napakayaman naman niya para bigyan ka ng Fort Territory. Sino siya?
Your Honor,
Baka siya yung nakakaalam ng lahat na ginawa niyong operasyon. Ha? Kaya binigyan ka ng Fort Territory. Sino nagbigay sa'yo ng Fort Territory? Second lying mo na yan, ha? Gagawin ka na namin 30 days. Maniwala ka. Gagawin ka na namin 30 days. Sino nagbigay?
Your Honor, may business po ako, Your Honor.
Ano negosyo mo?
Nagpapautang din po ako ng pera since 2009 pa.
Saan ka
Meron po.
nagpapautang?
Sa
Ano pera?
Bulacan, taga Bulacan po ako, Your Honor. Taga
Sige,
Manila, Bulacan po ako. Meron din po akong business ng mga motor.
Okay, kung meron kang negosyo, ang tinatanong lang namin sa iyo, okay? Sino yung nagbigay sa iyo ng Port Territory? Brand new. After 4 days ng operation, napaka-timing naman ang binigay na na binigay sa iyo na sasakyan. Port Territory pa, bago.
Your Honor, sa tagal ko na pong nagbabuy and sell ng mga motor, niregalohan ko lang po yung sarili ko kasi birthday ko.
So ikaw nagregalo sa sarili mo.
Siya po.
Kasi tinan mo kanina, may nagregalo sa iyo, somebody na hindi mo masabi. Ngayon, sinasabi mo ngayon, niregaluhan mo sarili mo. So, okay, kung ikaw nagregalo sa sarili mo, saan mo kinuha yung pambayad doon sa Port Territory? Binayaran mo ba ito ng cash or hulugan?
Cash po, Your Honor.
Cash. Okay, ang tanong ko sa iyo ngayon. Okay. Magkano sweldo mo?
Your Honor, 91,000 po yata.
Magkano loan mo?
Nagsagad-sagad po ako ng loan, Your Honor, para po pandagdag din sa...
Magkano natitira sa iyo? Take home. Huwag ka magsisinungalingan dito.
Your Honor,
Magkano ang take home mo?
9,000 to 10,000, Your Honor.
See? Tapos nakabili ka ng cash na Port Territory. Magkano ang Port Territory ngayon?
1.3, Your Honor.
Totoo ba na sinabi mo? Yung sinabi kanina ni Congressman Arrogancia, kung kayo ay makakaligtas sa kaso sa akin, di kayo makakaligtas. Kung kayo ay makakaligtas sa kaso sa akin, di kayo makakaligtas. Nakapatay na ba kayo ng mayor? Nakapatay na ba kayo ng vice mayor? Nakapatay na ba kayo ng kapitan? Totoo ba sinabi mo to?
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko po sinasabi yan.
Patrolman na Maumbong saka Patrolman Cariaga. Kasi nabasa ko sa report dito na sinabit nyo sa akin, na sinabi nyo na nadinig nyo doon sa conference na pinatawag ni Colonel Quijana, na binanggit niya na matakot kayo dahil nagpapapatay ako ng mayor, nagpapapatay ako ng vice mayor at kapitan. Mabuti na lang, hindi mga congressman. Ha? Sige, Patrolman na Maumbong, saka Patrolman na Cariaga. Kayo nabasa ko nandito.
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Sinabi niya po yon karugtong po nung binanggit niya po na kung sa kaso makakaligtas kayo, sa akin hindi. Ayun po yung in-state niya nun sa amin. Cariaga po, sir.
Patrolman Patrolman na Maumbong. Here. Sinabi niya yon?
Opo, Your Honor.
Patrolman na Garcia saka si Patrolman na Sergeant Garcia. Sinabi ba niya yon?
Yes, Your Honor. Saka yung sinabi niya, Your Honor, na may naghuhudas, he was referring to me, Your Honor.
Okay. So sino-sino ang mga nasa pre-conference nung sinabi niya yung mga bagay na yon? Please, alam niyo mga members of this committee, we have to dig deeper on this because kung merong siyang mga allegation na ganon, and I think that was substantiated by was it substantiated by Democrito and Desder? Kasi doon sa report na binasa ko, umaayon sila doon sa pagpatay sa mayor, sa vice mayor at kapitan.
Doon po sa meeting na yon, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. At
Sino yung nag-umaayon sa sinasabi ni Major Quijana?
yung dalawa niyang bata, Your Honor, si PSSU Desder at Democrito. Nandun naman po lahat ng
Hindi,
personnel ng
nasa
sektor,
report
Your Honor.
ninyo. Tumaas ang kamay ng mga nandun sa conference. Tayo kayo lahat. Would you confirm that Major Quijana said those statements? Lahat? Walang kumukontra? Taas ang kamay ng umaayon. Under oath kayo lahat, ha? Kasi to medyo mabigat tong akusasyon na pumatay ng mayor, pumatay ng vice mayor, at pumatay ng kapitan. Desder, saka Democrito. For sure, hindi kayo agree, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Desder.
Yes, Your Honor.
Major Kiana.
Your Honor, wala po akong sinasabi na gano'n, Your Honor.
Okay.
Mr.
So-
Chair,
Okay, Congressman ako.
may I ask the IDM to get the assignments of
Before you proceed,
Major,
the chair would like to recognize Congressman Sergio. Go ahead.
to get the resume of the assignments of Major Quijana? And could you find out whether mayors, vice mayor, barangay captains died in his place of places of assignment, pati yung province niya?
Your Honor, we will comply, sir.
No, doon sa assignment niya, tsaka sa probinsya niya.
Yes, sir. Doon sa kung saan siya mga na-assign pati sa
Yes,
places of
yun ang kuwan.
yes, sir.
Matingnan natin.
Yeah. And we would like also to add, General Nartates, no? And that the whole group of PNP, this cause for an alarm. Kung merong ganon at sinasabi ng lahat ng mga nasa pre-conference, all the same, that sinabi yung mga statement na yon, killing mayors, vice mayors, and barangay captains, we have to be worried about this. Dahil baka ito yung pinagsisimula ng mga napatay ng mga mayor na hindi nagkakaroon ng resolusyon. You have to dig deeper on this. Dahil nakakabahala to. Itong salitang to na nakita ko lang ngayon. And luckily, it was propounded by Congressman Arrogancia. I hope that we will be digging deeper on this. General Nartates, please.
Yes, Your Honor. The statement that allegedly he killed or caused the death of several elected officials, as he mentioned in that conference, I hope it is not true. But subject for validation or continuing inquiry of our police within NCR and in coordination also with the different police units or other units outside NCRPO. I hope that that statement was borne out only because of threatening the rest of his teams who are about to spill out something during that investigation being conducted against them.
So, Major Kiana, out of frustration mo lang ba yun or talagang from the heart?
Yung nabanggit ko po, Your Honor, na sinasabi ko kasi po, natapos na po yung operation namin, nag-iimbestiga na po. Nasabi ko po talaga yung sinasabi nila na kung hindi kayo makakaligtas dito, sa akin hindi. Napaprostrate na po ako, Your Honor, kasi under pressure na po kami, Your Honor.
Okay, so pati yung pagpatay sa mga mayor.
Wala po ako sinasabi na gano'n, Your Honor. Hindi ko
Kasi
po magagawa
kanina
yun.
binabanggit mo na hindi mo sinabi yung mga yon. So ngayon inaamin mo na binanggit mo siya out of frustration. Correct?
Yung nauna lang po, Your Honor. Pero
Yeah,
yung sa
oh,
mga...
yeah, correct. Kasi sabi mo, well, I have to clear everything, Ang sinabi natin kanina, yung kung hindi kayo kung makakaligtas kayo sa kaso, sa akin hindi kayo makakaligtas. Kanina dinideny mo yun, but this time sinasabi mo na out of frustration. That we understand. Pero yung sa mayor, vice mayor, sa kapitan, okay, sinabi mo, hindi mo sinabi yun. But this only proves that you you continue on lying. And kapag nahuhuli ka na, inaamin mo din. Kaya nga dapat in the first instance pa lang, huwag na kayong magsinungaling. The truth will set you free.
Mr. Chair, I was about to make the same observation, Mr. Chair, just
Yes,
a manifestation.
okay. Go ahead.
That Major Quijana has been repeatedly making statements, then correcting it after when he's confronted with the other statements. My manifestation, my recommendation earlier now looks more enticing, Mr. Chair.
We will be discussing that after, no? Siguro magkaroon tayo ng meeting, all the members of this committee afterwards, no? So,